Hi guys, my name is KJ Miller. I am the co-founder and CEO of Mented Cosmetics, and today I'm going to be taking you through my everyday beauty routine using some of our favorite Mented products. So of course, I've got to start off with our foundation stick. This is called Skin by Mented. We call it Skin because it really truly looks and feels like skin. It's got hyaluronic acid, it's got aloe leaf extract. It's so nourishing. I wear this every day. So I am wearing shade, oh, I pulled up the wrong one. Sorry, this is my concealer shade, T30. I'm gonna wear as my base shade all over M40. So that's what this is. The M stands for medium. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply. And I like to just do long strokes all over my face. If you've got a little bit of texture, it's going to take care of that, cover up any blemishes. I do like to put a little bit over top of each eye. Then I take our foundation brush. This is such an amazing brush. We sell out of it a lot. It comes with the foundation, and I just use this to buff in. So I like to do these like sort of short, small circle motions. Other people I see do more kind of like these strokes. Up to you, whatever floats your boat. Step 2, I always take my concealer shade, which is T30. The T stands for tan, and do a little bit under the eye, down the nose. So you'll see I just do some quick swipes under each eye, down the bridge of my nose, a little bit in the center of the forehead, and a little bit on the chin. And that's just to kind of brighten the face. You don't have to do this step. If you like to just do your one all over foundation shade, that's fine too, but this is a step that I do every day. I take my same brush and I blend it in. Okay, so as my next step, I like to take our powder. This is in light tan. This is a translucent powder. Everyone can use this shade. I use it all the time. And what I typically do is I start by dusting a little bit under each eye, sort of in all of those places that I just applied the concealer shade. Now, I don't do this every day. Sometimes I just do the next step that I'm gonna show you. But first I start by doing that. Then I take our powder brush and I like to just sort of wipe it away and use the excess to set the rest of my makeup. But sometimes I will just dip this directly in and do it all over, as opposed to doing this step first where I'm really sort of setting. It's up to you, but this setting powder is so lightweight, so it's got squalane in it, so it's hydrating. It's not gonna feel like cakey and drying, which is really, really nice. So up next is blush, and I'm actually gonna take our shade Pinky Promise. I love this shade. It's so pretty. It works on so many different skin tones, and it's got a little bit of a gold shimmer to it, so you sort of get a blush and highlight in one, which I think is really great. So I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of product. You can use whatever brush you've got at home. And I like to sort of, when I do my blush, I actually do just sort of almost under the high point of my cheek. That's just me, up to you, sort of what works for you. But I come just under and I like to sweep it all the way up. Again, that's just me, but I love the shade, so pretty. Again, I like to bring it up sort of the length of my face. I think it just sort of makes me look a little more like snatched. So that's that. And then bonus, I'm actually gonna use this shade as my eyeshadow today too. I think it's really pretty as an eyeshadow. So again, whatever brush you've got, I like to just dip it in there and sweep it on. Now again, this is a blush. It is not an eyeshadow. However, I like to use it on my eyes just because it's so pretty and pigmented. Why not get more bang for your buck? And I used to shy away from pink as a color because I felt like there weren't pinks that were like pigmented enough for me. This one is so pigmented, but still soft. You know, it's not hot pink. It's not like you're going to a rave, you know, it's soft and natural. And that's what our line is all about, everyday beauty. So I'm just gonna swipe this on, and you can see I'm not being super precise. I'm literally like, throwing it on almost, because I like to do my makeup quickly. It's a work day and I've got stuff to do. And I will sometimes just like also pack it right in the inner corner. Give myself a little more of a pop there. I think that's pretty. I'm gonna really quickly throw on some mascara and a little bit of liner. You guys don't need to see that step, it's boring. And then I will show you my final step, which is my gloss. And now I'm going to be putting on Mauve Over Lip Gloss. We love this gloss. I think you guys are loving it too. Really pretty pink shade. I'm just going with a pink all over theme. Why not? It's summer. So I'm gonna do, and the great thing about this gloss, we call it gloss for grown-ups, is it's not sticky. We've all had that overly sticky gloss, but that's not what we're about at Team Mented. This gloss is never sticky and pigmented, but also buildable. So if you only want like a little bit of color, you put on one coat. If you're like me and you want a lot of color, you put on 2 or 3. Okay, that's it. That's the full look. It was easy, pretty quick, didn't take too long. I love these products. I know you guys have been loving them too, and I hope you guys love the look. Check out our products.